Nearly everything we do creates waste. The homes we build, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, all contribute to the growing pollution problem we face. But in nature, nothing is wasted. What if we could do the same and turn waste into new products and materials where everything is reborn, reused and recycled? Finding solutions provided by nature itself, reinventing existing products, or even changing the way we think about our relationship with our possessions. One of the most recognisable and prevalent waste products is plastic. It's used almost everywhere and is found almost everywhere, even inside our bodies, ingested by the food we eat and building up in the entire food chain. It puts the entire ecosystem at risk. What if we could eliminate the need for plastic? But one company has turned to nature for a solution. Whilst at university, two friends saw the growing plastic crisis and looked for the answer in a rather unlikely place.
I'm Pierre Pallier, one of the co-founders of Notpla. We develop packaging solutions made from seaweed and plants as an alternative to single-use plastics. People use plastic in lots of occasions where it's not really needed as a material, but it's cheap, it's convenient. What we want is to change this with a natural solution that doesn't require a change of behavior and is much more natural and easy on nature. At Notpla, we've developed a range of packaging solutions. We've got Oho, an edible sachet for marathons and festivals. We've got a coating for takeaway food containers. We've got films for flexible sachets and seaweed paper. I think plastic pollution is a massive problem in terms of environmental challenges. We are dumping a huge amount of this material that is indestructible into nature without really understanding the consequences. Plastics find its way into the food chain very easily. When it's small microplastics floating in the ocean, it gets into microplanktons and then eventually into fish. Ourselves, we find it now in our blood, so it's really getting everywhere. We were really inspired by the way nature makes these elegant shapes and uses all these natural materials and how we could translate that into packaging. And eventually we stumbled upon seaweed and found that it was actually a really interesting material to use for packaging. Today, the Notpla team is made of 65 people. We're developing multiple products. Some of them, we are starting to make them in the millions. So it's really exciting to see some of that impact, some of those products being used out there. But there's still a lot of work to continue to develop the material if we want to have a global impact with what we're doing. There's still so much we don't know about seaweeds if we want to use it as a viable packaging solution worldwide. So we really want to have more scientists, more engineers working on this problem. What gives me hope is that nature has all the solutions already. We just need to take a hint from all the things that has already been created by nature, and with science, engineering, design, we turn it into useful applications for humans, but everything already exists in the playbook of nature.
Replacing plastics with plants is an enterprising way to cut down on waste.